Hello art beaters, Becky here with a new video and I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up to date on all things art beads, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Enjoy! We've got some really great new Raven's Journey Czech Glass beads that launched this week. Spring collection, really beautiful. You can find them on our website. I've got links to everything that you see here in the video description. So make sure to check out those links to find everything that you're going to see here today. So in this collection, we've got some new Raven's Journey Czech Glass flowers. We love the flowers. We've got some really beautiful purple colors here. Isn't that pretty? Take a look. And these come in different sizes. So these are the wild rose flowers, which we love. And look at this nice big size here. Really pretty. So we've got those really pretty purples. Loving those. And I love the washes on these. They really make the colors stand out even more. Yes, gorgeous colors, Julie. We've got some more of those pretty big flowers. These are hibiscus flowers, and they're nice and big. Love these. So pretty. Look at that. And the details on them are just amazing. Beautiful. And Cynthia made some jewelry with these Raven's Journey Czech Glass beads that you'll find in our design studio with free instructions and a supplies list. So with those beautiful hibiscus flowers, she made this necklace, and she used some of our new Czech Glass rondelles as well that match just perfectly. Isn't this the most perfect look for spring? So beautiful. Oh, I love this. Yeah, the flower beads are just so beautifully detailed, and I love the finishes on them. Really gorgeous. So this you will find in our design studio. I have links to all of the jewelry and the beads that you'll see here today in the video description. So beautiful. Gorgeous. Lovely. Love those. We've got those flowers in other colors as well. Take a look at these turquoise options. So pretty. Yeah, I really like this. It's kind of like a mustard yellow with a turquoise wash. I think that's a really interesting color combo. And of course, we've got that classic turquoise in gold. And then this one's really fun. It's kind of an earthy, transparent amber with the turquoise wash, again, in that bigger size. Really beautiful. And then we've got some pinks. The pink flowers are really nice. They match my shirt that I have here today. So pretty. So we've got these tiny little hibiscus. This one is a nice kind of milky pink with a silver wash, and then this beautiful opaque pink with a bronzy coppery wash. So pretty. I love all of those. You could easily use those all together. And the great thing is all of these beads come on a strand, so you're going to get plenty to work with. They are just really magnificent. And then this is my favorite flower in the launch. So we've got some iridescent flowers, some wild roses that are iridescent. These are so pretty. Look at how these shine. Gorgeous. Yes. Loving that. Yeah, I love the pink too, Deborah. So pretty. But this one is really special. It's just got that like kind of magical look. And Cynthia made some jewelry with that color as well. She was really taken with those too. So she made this really beautiful necklace with an Anna bronze branch. Look at that. So the branch has multiple holes that you can dangle those flowers on. So pretty. And then because these beads come on a strand, she had multiple to work with. She used the beads up in the bead strand as well, with some nice faceted rounds and some of the 6-aught seed beads that are in this Raven's Journey launch as well. Just look at the colors on those. So pretty. And you have to look at the clasp, which is an Anna bronze clasp, and it matches the branch focal perfectly. So really nice piece there that you can find in our design studio with free instructions and a supplies list. And we have that link in our video description. She also, because she had so many beads on a strand, she made earrings to match that beautiful necklace. Oh, so cute. And these come together super fast, especially since she kind of had the bead pattern and everything already figured out in her necklace. So really nice. Look at the colors on those. So pretty. Gorgeous. Love that. Then we've got some great rondelles. The rondelle shape is a really classic Raven's Journey Czech Glass bead shape. And we've got those in really beautiful colors this week. We've got these fun beachy colors. Loving these kind of sandy and ocean colors blended together. This one has like a marbled silver wash. Yes, we do sell the clasp on this necklace. You can find it. I've got a link to this necklace in our video description in our design studio. It is an Anna Bronze clasp. So if you search for Anna Bronze, you should be able to find it as well. I'm also really loving this amazing, this is like tropical ocean blue water. Some of the blue tones are transparent. Some of them kind of have that milky opaque look. This just looks, I was fortunate enough to travel to Bora Bora a couple years back, and the water is this color. It's so amazing, so beautiful, really, really nice. So yeah, God, I love these beads, says Jeannie. So do I. They're really beautiful. We've got a lot of great colors and shapes. That's the amazing thing about Czech Glass, especially Raven's Journey, are the colors are just so unique, so mesmerizing. And there's a lot of care that goes into the colors that are chosen for these beads. If you haven't yet, please watch our videos with Lenka from Raven's Journey. She talks a lot about what goes into making these beads, and she's really passionate about it. So make sure to check out those videos because they're really good. I want one of each, Kathy says. Yes. Some more fun shapes here. We've got this lovely Nautilus. Check this out. I love these Nautilus beads, and this color is so beautiful. It's almost got like a silvery sheen to it. So really catches the eye, just adds a beautiful shine to that spiral pattern. This is a really gorgeous color. This has got some serious mermaid vibes, I think. So pretty. Love that. And then these go along quite nicely. These are some melon drop shapes. So pretty. Loving that. Gorgeous. Yes. Yes, these colors are just so good. Here's some more beachy colors. We've got these really fun flower shapes here in a few different turquoise shades. Yes, they are perfect for summer, says Elaine. Yes, for sure. Yeah, they are really pretty. I'm loving this kind of opalescent turquoise color, but these turquoises are really nice. The wash on these are super pretty, kind of like a marbly gold, marbly copper wash on these. And then of course we have this flower coin bead that is so beautiful. Yes, I want them all too, Susan. So fun to play with. And then we've got some more rondelles. Check these out. So these are all the same color, different size rondelles. And these are the rondelles that Cynthia used in this necklace here. So pretty. Hi, Judy. You made the live. Yay. So pretty. Gotta love that. So really nice colors. We've got some nice kind of dusty pink rose gold tones here. This is a really nice colorway. All of these colors together are super nice. Loving this. It's got kind of a golden sheen to it. Really pretty. All of these together are very nice. Yay, loving those. So these are all new this week at arcbeads.com. Head to the website to see them all, to shop, and I've got links to everything in this video description as well. Hi Laura, good to see you. Some pinks again. We love our pinks. Here's that fun flower shape again. Olga, Becky, you make me want to bead instead of doing work. I know, isn't beading so much fun? And then this really pretty purple lavender color. So nice. Loving that. And then just a couple more in this launch. And then I've got another jewelry piece to show you that Cynthia made with some of these new beads. So we've got this nice faceted round in an almost golden green color. And then this really nice 6/0 Czech Glass seed bead. And really nice blue. These kind of almost remind me of, they're a little bit darker than robin's eggs, but they have that speckled look. Julie says, I always want to bead instead of work. Lucky for me, beading is a big part of my work. And then Cynthia made this beautiful, beautiful necklace. This makes you want to go to the beach. She made that with some of these faceted rondelles. She added one of our art beads sterling silver pendants with a beautiful sun design on it. And then she's got some fire polished beads in there and some spacers that match just perfectly. So, so pretty. So really pretty. You can find this in our design studio as well with free instructions and a supplies list for how to make it. Really, really beautiful. So that is our Raven's Journey Czech Glass launch. Beautiful, beautiful options. Head over to our website, artbeads.com, to check out all of these and all of our other Raven's Journey beads. There's so many beautiful ones and lots of pretty jewelry designs made with them as well.